Okay, I'm streaming now. Good. So, gotta stop this. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's where we are. So, exactly. This is volume 4 of our series, Fractional Exponent, friends. Well, as I said, it wasn't going to be long at all. And here we are to set the ball rolling. So the next question we are going to look at is the one I'm about to unveil. There's the question. You see, the question says that evaluate, okay, evaluate for 4th root of 81 cube. You see, so we know for sure. Then immediately we see 4th cube, 81 cube. The 4th root of 81 cube. That means all what we have to do is to do nothing but making sure that we break it down eventually. You know what somebody will do? Somebody will say, oh, okay, 81. Then he's going to multiply 81 by 3 times. Okay? If you do that, you're going to suffer. You can't do 81 times 81 times 81. No, that is hard. Friends, the best way to approach this question is to go through the fractional exponent series method. So what we are going to do right now is to simplify this expression. How do we simplify that? Okay, let's see. Okay, so we have 4th root. Okay, we have 4th root of 81 cube to solve. Friends, we know that because of the 4 over here, because of this 4, this same expression can be written as, yes, 81 cube all into bracket 1 over 4. Have you seen it? So we have 81 cube, yeah, 1 over 4. So that, if that is the case, then our problem is solved in advance. Somebody will ask me why. I say it's solved. It's totally solved because this expression we have over here, yeah, we have been able to simplify it, yeah, into that, because instead of 4 here, the 4 is now carrying the whole expression. Okay, so because of that, then we are happy since we have our 1 over 4 here. Okay, with no more 4th root of 81 cube, yeah, in that form. So now let's think about what we can do again to make life easier for ourselves. If we look at 81, if you look at it very carefully, you'll see that 81 can be 9 times 9. Okay, here 81 can be 9 times 9, or 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, 4 times. That will give us that as well. Now let's see. So over here, yeah, 81 can be written as 9 times 9, or 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. You got it? And because of that, you know, we have a cube outside as well. So this is how we have expressed 81. Okay, but bear in mind that we have 1/4 sitting out waiting. Friends, so what do we do? We can further write this expression here as 3 raised to the power 4. Yeah? And that, if it's 3 raised to the power 4, okay, then don't forget we have cube sitting on top of it. Okay? Then also we have our 1/4 out of the whole expression. Okay, friends, life can be very easier if we know how to factorize. So now we are going to factorize. We are going to factorize the expression above. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to move the 4 inner here where we are factorizing. So the 4 will come here, all right, and our 3 will come out. You see, if we do that, then we can confidently say that 3 raised to the power 4, okay, into bracket, as I said earlier, our 1/4 will come here, okay, and all into bracket, the 3 comes out. Friends, life is getting easier because we know the 4 is going to multiply 1/4. And if we do that, our expression will be 3 times 1/4, all into bracket 3. And this can be written as 3 raised to the power 4 over 4, all cubed. Friends, we know that 3 raised to the power 4 over 4 is given as 3 raised to the power 1. And eventually, 3 raised to the power 1 means it's equal to 3. So therefore, we are going to substitute the answer that we've got here, the whole 3 into this. So it's going to be 3 all into bracket, and don't forget we have a 3 sitting on top of it. Okay, so this, how do we express 3 raised to the power 3? That is going to be 3 times 3 times 3, friends. And we know 3 times 3 times 3 will give us 27. As simple as that. So that is how it is. I think we have to recap so that we'll be able to be on the same level. Now look at it. So that's the question given, is evaluate the 4th root of 81 cubed. So all what we did, friends, is to move the 4 on top so that the whole expression become the big square bracket 1/4. Okay, then we broke 81 cubed, 81 to be 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Okay, all raised to the power cube, which we have it here, and 1/4 is still sitting out. Okay, now what do we do again? We know that 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, 4 times, means 3 raised to the power 4. Okay, so we are registered. So we have 3 raised to the power 4, you see, all into bracket, cube, all into bracket 1/4. And what did we do? We know this. We did factorization, and we brought a 4 in, okay, and a 3 came out. So 4 times 1/4, everybody know that is going to be 3 raised to the power 4/4, all to the power 3. Friends, 4/4 is 1. So that means our 3 raised to the power 1. And the 3 raised to the power 1 here is 3. So we substitute it back here, and we have 3 raised to the power 3. And when we do that, we get 27. Friends, this is where I will leave you with. But don't go far, because volume 5 will soon follow. But please go and like the video so that it will reach out to a lot of people, so that they will know the good works we are doing over there. This is free. Okay? It's free for everybody. And also click on the bell, so you will be the first person to receive notification when we're about to set the ball rolling. Now, I will leave you in peace. Shalom. Bye.